This is Bobby at 2 Epic EVs, and we're going to come at you today with some accessories from Yeslak. I think that's how you say it, but you can see it right there on the verbiage. Now, we got a couple of things here. I have a new Tesla to the fleet. No, it's not a Model Y. No, it's not a Cybertruck. It is a Model 3, but I did not buy the Performance Edition, which comes with one of these on the back. I'm going to go ahead and add this in. This is a carbon fiber product from Yeslak, and you're going to see that video coming up now. Okay, so as we talked about, I got this little wing or whatever you want to call it. It adds horsepower. Just kidding, it's a Tesla. But anyway, what we're going to do is you notice they have 3M tape all around here that we will be peeling off and sticking on our Model 3 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some test fits here, and as you can see, it really is a perfect fit, possibly, if you do it correctly. You got to look at for the edges here. And so if you do it correctly, you can start dry fitting this and figure out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure off and I'm going to tape some areas where I want this to sit. All right, we're doing our test fit before we pulled off the 3M tape. And I don't know if you can hear it, but that bird is howling back there. Anyway, what I did is, you got some marks where I'm gonna line it up here, measured each corner on each side from this gap right here to the edge, went over here and measured this gap to this gap, then drew a line right where it's gonna match up. So when we pull the 3M tape off, we line up these two marks. Okay, what I did is after I showed you where I test fitted, I pulled it off. I pulled the 3M tape off, and with one person, just stuck it right back on. Lined this up super easy, and I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed by the quality of this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tape off here, and we're gonna take this tape off of there. Yeah, no, this is definitely a good product from this company. Highly recommend. And I was able to do this by myself, and boy, the look of it is sharp, even on a black rig. I know on some white cars the black may stand out. I did black on black, but look at this carbon fiber. Amazing. Highly recommend.